हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। चलिए तो आज जैसा कि कल हमने बताया था कि आपका आधे घंटे का मैथमेटिक्स का क्लास आज होने वाला है, ठीक है। तो वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 1B चैप्टर 1 फ्रॉम क्लास 10। ओके, I hope you all are okay and I am requesting you please subscribe this channel for all day continuous study for 75 minutes today. 30 minute mathematics and 15 minutes all your science subjects physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, now press the bell icon and start solution of exercise 1B. It's very easy. Okay, if you know what is prime factor and how to find out the prime factorization of any number, you can solve this exercise very easily. The first question, and one more thing, I am taking all the questions from new edition of aggarwal, which is the recommended book from CBSE 2020-2021 syllabus. Okay, it means if you are going next year to give your board exams, you have to follow the new edition of aggarwal book. Okay, thank you. Now come to the question. First question is, express 429 as a product of prime factor. You have a number 429 and you have to express this number as a prime factors, product of prime factors. So you all know about that. How do you find the prime factor of this number? Divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now by 13, 13 1s are 13 and 13 1s are 13. Now by 11, 11 1s are 11. You all know about it. Okay. Now write it like that. 3 into 11 into what? 13. This is the expression of prime factor of 429. Okay, this is the expression of prime factor for 429 as a product of prime factors. Okay, now see the next question. Next question is 5005. It means you have to find out the prime factor of this number once again by 5 1 5 0 0 1. Now again by 7 7 1 7. Okay, 3 7 4 28 and 7 3 21. By 13 13 1 13 13 1 13 and now by 11 11 1 11. Okay, now you can write it like that. 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is the product of prime factors for 5005. I think you are getting what you have to do in these questions. Okay, if you are getting this class, if you are getting the concept what I am telling you, what I am teaching you, please share this video to your friend. Okay, and I am going to solve the next question. Question number 3. 2 4 3 1. You have to find the product of prime factors for 2 4 3 and 1. See, 2 4 3 1. How can you solve it? This is a question which is very good example even in the case when you don't know how to find prime factors of this kind of numbers. Okay, first of all I am going to divide it by 11. 11 2 is 22, 2 carry. Okay, it means 23. Again 11 2 is 22. This was 23, 1 carry and it makes 11 here. Now 11 1 is 11. Once again you have to find by which number 2 to 1 will go. Okay, for 2 to 1 you have to use 13. 13 1 is 13 and 9 left. This 9 makes it 91. 13 7 is 91. Okay, and now 17 is a prime number, so it will go by self 1 times. Now the prime factor, or you can say the product of prime factor for 2431 is 11 into 13 into what? 17. This is question number 3 answer. Now come to question number 4. Using prime factorization, find HCF and LCM of the given number. If you get what is prime factorization, then you should have to use the concept of prime factorization and you have to find the value of HCF and LCM for the given number. The number is 36 and 84. Question number 2, part number first. You have to find HCF and LCM of 36 and 84 by using prime factorization concept. Now come. If you make prime factor of 36 by common sense, you can do like that. 2 3 ja 6, and if you get 2 3 ja 6, it means how many times 6 makes 36? 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18, and 2 ja 36. You can do like that also. 36, 2, 18, 9, 3, and this 3. 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. The same value. Then you can write it like that also. 2 square into 3 square. Now come to 84. What do you understand for 84? Do like that. Same again. Prime factor of 84 you can find by using this concept. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja 21, and 7 1 ja 7. Means you can write 2 times 2 into 3 and into 7. Now, for HCF and for LCM, there is a little concept. There is a little concept for LCM and HCF. Okay, now I'm going to give you a trick which helps you to find HCF and LCM in all of the questions. Okay, the trick is that whenever you are going for HCF, take lowest value. Take lowest value of all the numbers which comes in both of the numbers. Okay, look like that. 2 square and 2 square both are same. Means 36 have also 2 square, 84 also have 2 square. Okay, means you can write 2 square one time. Okay, now here is 3 square, but here is 3 power 1. It means you have to write what? 3 power 1. And now see, here it's 7, but there is no any 7. So you don't have to write any number after that. Now multiply it. 2 to the 4, 4 3 what? 12. 12 is the HCF of these two numbers. Okay, got it? 12 is the HCF of two numbers with the method of that. Now come to LCM. For LCM, you have to take highest power value from both the numbers. 2 square, both have 2 square, it means you have to write 2 square. Now 3 square, but here is 3 power 1. So in LCM case, you have to write highest power. Now 7, there is no 7, so you have to write this 7 one time here. This is the case of LCM and you have to do this. Okay, 4 9 36 and 36, 7 252. The LCM of these numbers is 252. I think you are getting how can you find the HCF and LCM value of any two numbers or any three numbers with the help of prime factorization method. Okay. One more question from question number 4. This question was question number 4. Now, one more question. The question is 396 1080. Rest of question you should have to solve because this is mathematics. If all of questions and answers and solutions are provided to you, you are not going to solve any question by self. And maths mange practice. Okay, so take it easy and do some practice in mathematics. After learning how can you find out the values of these questions, how can you solve the questions like that, HCF and LCM and prime factorization. If you learn how to find out prime factorization, you can solve all kind of questions in this chapter. Okay, now see for that. This is 396 and another one is 1080. 2 times 3, 2 times into 11. Okay, now 1080, 2 3 times 3 3 times and 5. For HCF, I have already told you, for HCF you have to find lowest power value. It means when you are going for 2, you are looking at 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. It means you have to find 2 to the power 2 to use it in HCF concept. Now, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, you have to use 3 to the power 2. Lowest power value, whenever you are using the lowest power value of the both numbers, you can find HCF easily with the help of prime factorization. Okay, now look at that. Here is 5, but here is no any 5. Here is 11, but here is no any 11. So you don't have to find any other value for getting the HCF of these two numbers. 2 to the 4, 3 3 is 9. Means 4 into 9, it is 36. Now come for LCM. In the case of LCM, go for highest power value. Okay, 2 to the power 2, 2 power 3 means you have to write 2 power 3. 3 power 2, 3 power 3, you have to write 3 power 3. And all the other numbers should have to multiply by alone 11 into 5. It means 11, here is no any 11, 5, here is no any 5. You have to multiply both the numbers in the case of L. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and 11 5 is 55. After multiplying all these numbers, you will get 11880. This is LCM of these two numbers. Come to question number 5. Question number 5 had third number also. It means in this question number 4 you are solving only 2 questions, but 5 have 1, 2 and 3. 3 questions. The same concept will use there, but I am going to solve one question from that. Take it easy. मैथमेटिक्स बहुत इजी होता है, ठीक है. Okay, question number 5 is saying using prime factorization find HCF and LCM of given number. The first one is that 12 15 21. 12 15 and 21. Now see, 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. Okay, 3 5 is 15, 3 7 is 21. Okay, 2 power 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 3 into 7. Now see, in case of HCF you have to use only common value which have lowest power. Here is 2 square, but there is no any 2 square, means you don't have to use 2 in case of HCF. Now here is 3 and here is 3 and here is also 3. It means you can use only 3 from all these numbers because there is a 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Okay, there is no any 5, there is no any 7, there is no any 3 5 7. If there were no any common values you have find in these 3 numbers, you cannot have to use here. Okay, now come for LCM. In the case of LCM, use highest power value. It means 2 power 2, 3 3 3. It means you have to 3 power 1 into 5 into 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 5 is 60, and 67 is 420. Okay, 420. It's a big number. 420. Now come for question number 6. Question number 6 have find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 and verify them. Find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 and verify them. Verify. This verification is very important because in most of the cases whenever you are going to verify all these concepts, you are going to learn what is actually HCF, LCM and first number, second number is saying to you. Okay, look at that. This is the first number. Okay, consider it as a first number. This is second number. Okay, now find first of all HCF and LCM of these two numbers. I am going to solve it. 96 is equals to and 404 is equals to 96 means 48 to the. Okay, 48 to the means 96 means you are going to write 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 8 3 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48, 48 2 ja 96. So you can write it like that also. 1 2 3 4 5, 2 power 5 into 3. 404. 404 is going like that. 2 to the 4 into 101. Okay, it means 2 square into 101. Now what is SCF? SCF means 2 power 5 or 2 power 2? 2 power 2, and there is no any other common value, so the SCF of this number is 4. Now come for LCM. In case of LCM, you have to use highest power value, 2 power 5. There is no any 3, but there is 3 present here. There is no any 101, but 101 is present here. So multiply all this. The LCM of this question you are getting 9696. 9696. Write it down all the values for verification. How can you verify it? I am going to tell you. How can you verify these questions that you have found all these answers correct? Write down. First number into second number is equals to HCF into LCM. Okay, this is the concept to verify. So first of all, you have to write the first number 96, second number 404. Okay, find the value of these questions. Now HCF, what is HCF? 4. And what is LCM? 9696. If you find both the values equal, it means you have verified it. Okay, now see how can you verify it. When you are going to multiply this number, you will get 38784. You can check it out by multiplying these numbers. Okay, and you will also get here 38784. It means when this side and this side value comes equal, it means you have verified it. Okay, and I hope you are enjoying today's class, because seriously the classes are going very funny, and with all the concepts going to be clear for you. Okay, now come for question number 7. Question number 7 is like that. If two positive integers a and b are written as x square, a is equal to x cube, y square, and b is equals to x y cube, where x and y are prime numbers. X, y are prime numbers. If you know indexes, surds, powers, exponents, roots, you will easily solve this type of questions. Look at that. Comparing indices. When you are using the plural form of index, you should write here indices. Comparing indices of x and y from A and B. First of all, you have to compare the indices of x and y. Then after, HCF means lowest indices value and LCM means highest indices value. Okay, LCM means highest indices value, HCF means lowest indices. Means whenever you are going to take powers from the questions, in case of HCF you have to use lowest power value, and in case of LCM you have to use highest power value. Same concept is used to solve this question also. Okay, now see, LCM is equals to highest power. Now see, I am going to erase the question from upside for some spaces and for some clarity of the question. Look at that. in case of LCM, you should have to find what is the highest value of x. Means x power 3 and x power 1. What is the highest? You have to write it. Okay. Which number is highest in both of the numbers? You have to write it for LCM. In this case, y square and y cube means highest is y cube. This is LCM. Okay. Now for SCF. SCF means lowest indices value. What is the lowest indices value for x? X power 3, x power 1 means the lowest is x power 1. Again, x cube, y power 3 and y power 2. You have to use y power 2 because this is the lowest value and this is the highest value. Now, see, this is the LCM and LCM of these type of questions. Now, in this question, you have to verify that LCM into HCF is equals to what? AB. Okay. Now, whenever LCM into HCF, you do HCF into LCM, you will get what? A into B. I am going to solve it here. Look, LCM means x cube y cube. HCF means x y square. It means x cube into x power 4, y cube y square. What is this? Y power 5. Now what is A into B? A value is x cube y square. Okay. And B value is x y cube. You will get x3 and x power 1, x power 4, y2, y power 3, y power what? 5. It means what? LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. Verified. This is question number 7. Now come for question number 8. 8, 9, 10 are much easy question and you will use this concept in the question. Find the answer very easily. Okay. Now see, question number 8. Question number 8 is very important. Question number 8 is very important because look at the question. It is given that SCF is equals to 23, LCM is equals to 1449, first number is equals to 161. You have to find the second number. Okay, you know first number into second number is equals to HCF into LCM. First number is 161. Second number you have to find. HCF is equals to 23 and LCM is equals to 1449. Now, second number is equals to 23 into 1449 upon 161. Okay, now cut it. 23 7 ja 161. Now 7 2 ja 14 and 0 7 7 ja 49. It means second number कितना आ रहा है? 207. Okay. Now come for question number 9. The same question. Question number 9 is also same question, but you have to see this. Oh. In question number 9, the given values are HCF is equals to 145, LCM is equals to 2175. First number is given 725. Second number you have to find the second number. Second number you have to find. Now I am going to solve it directly. Second number is equals to HCF into LCM upon first number. Okay, HCF is 145, LCM is 2175 and the first number is 725. After solving it, you will get 435. The second number is 435. Got it? Now come for question number 10, and this is the last question for today's class. Okay, in the next class you will get other solutions from question number 11. Okay, and for this you have to subscribe this channel because whenever you are going to learn from this channel. You have to be updated, you have to get notified from YouTube channel when we upload the videos. Okay, so first of all you have to subscribe and press bell icon for next solution of this questions from 11 questions. It is like that. HCF of A and B is HCF of A and B is 5. LCM of A and B is 200. Okay. Find AB. Oh, very nice. Find AB means whenever you are going to multiply A into B, what will be the answer? It is very easy. You know LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. You know it? Okay. Now LCM into HCF, if you do 5 into 200, it comes 1000. Okay. And this is equals to A into B because the value of LCM into HCF gives the value of A into B. Okay, first number into second number. Okay, then this is the correct answer. 1000. Thank you so much for learning with us, and I hope you enjoyed today's class. And all the questions should be in on your copy. Make a note of that copy by pausing the videos. Okay. Thank you for having a class. Thank you for learning with us, and thank you so much. Have a good day.